Coach Mandla has said that we are benefiting now. And who cannot be thankful to benefit? And to be honest, I'm not ashamed. Because people have benefited so much before. So it's our time. You know, the doctor is on the Chigachi. So I must appreciate. Why must I complain? People, if you can say, let's open the closet and see the trophies that people have won before. And see, maybe if there was a screen here, I was going to show you because I got a lot of finals that were decided dubiously.
We were happy that we're here. We represent a very big brand, a big man that has got no name. He said when Pirates win, there's peace in the country. When Pirates win, Amanda Randa Yasimama. Two lines. Manqoba Mngqithi win, the Pirates must win.